Today's dessert is ooey gooey, buttery, and oh so good.
Oh, and we are gonna sweeten the deal with a dusting of powdered sugar.
This delectable concoction has been a favorite for generations.
Oh, every bite is a dessert lover's dream come true.
Get it out. Oh, it is. It's harder to say than it is to eat, apparently. But oh my gosh, I have such fond memories of this as a kid, and
I love it. I love that your mother used to make this.
I know.
It's amazing.
Okay, so now let's get started. So it's got 2 layers. It's got kind of what we call a crust. It's not your typical crust. I've got 2½ cups here of all-purpose flour. I've got 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of just good old table salt. And I'm just going to combine that. We're going to add that into the mixture here in just a moment. And now,
wonderful.
I know. Now what we're going to do is I've got a stick of butter. That's 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to add 1 3/4 cup of sugar. This is, like he said, a sweet tooth lover dream come true. It is
sweet tooth lover.
That's hard to say. Anyway, now we're just going to beat this together, and we're going to get it till it's nice and fluffy. Okay.
Right, move your hand so everybody can see what's going on.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to make the top part, the part that goes over the crust.
I guess that would be the ooey gooey part.
Yes, the ooey gooey. Oh.
Everything's buttery.
And it's, it's amazing. All right, so I've got an 8-ounce package of room temperature cream cheese, and I'm going to, and I've got the old mixer here.
That old package.
The old mixer. And then I've got 2 eggs I'm going to throw in there.
And those are also room temperature.
Everything's room temperature.
The most important thing, you've got to make sure your butter and your cream cheese is room temperature.
And a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And I'm just going to scooch this down a little bit.
You do that. I am going to mix this together till it's all incorporated.
Nice and smooth, yeah.
Yes. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to... Oh, wow. I'm going to devour this.
They're so good. So, my mom used to make these for the family back when I was a kid. I was telling her about it the other day. When I was in junior high and high school, I can remember them sitting on the table. And then she sort of stopped making them for whatever reason. And I went off to college.
Remember.
And I was talking about it the other day. She said, I don't remember making them. So then now that we've made them, I brought them to her.
She was like,
I remember them.
Yeah.
And she loves them as much as I do.
Look at that. All right, I am going to start adding my powdered sugar.
Yes. Sweet.
So do I do it all at one time,
Just
Chris?
gradually add it in.
Right.
Otherwise, you'll have a powdered sugar
cloud. All right, I'm going to throw a little in.
Yeah, that's good. So I'm going to continue doing this for about a total of 4 minutes. It's going to get nice pale yellow and kind of fluffy.
And I am going to continue to do this until I get it
fully
all in there and it's nice and smooth, and you can take a spoon and just eat it all up.
Okay. Oh, that looks great.
Look, that is
nice.
That's
and smooth.
perfect. Oh.
Yes. And see how this is just light pale and pretty fluffy. So now you're ready.
I'm going to get the baking casserole.
The baking dish. It's a dish. It's a 9 by 13.
It's a dish.
9 by 13. And this, now we're going to add an egg and let that get nice incorporated. This is like medium low we're doing this on. And then I'm going to add another egg. Delicious. You're buttering.
I am getting this good and buttery.
It's a ooey gooey butter cake, for goodness sake. So now we've got a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to have the joy of starting to add this flour mixture. And it's.
Oh, there you go. You're doing good.
Thanks.
You got it there.
Not my first rodeo at the old ooey gooey butter cake. But I have just started making this again after decades.
And my waistline is not thanking you.
Well,
at all.
It is.
I mean, it is. It's got this. You have it's a good. After dinner, you're like, you know what? I could use something sweet.
It is a great sweet snack. I mean, it is just so. I just love it. When I was a kid, I was like, and I think the origins, that correct us if we're wrong, but I believe the origins are from St. Louis, is where this dessert.
Really? Missouri? Mm-hmm. Oh, no wonder your mother would, because your mother's Missouri.
I don't know. She doesn't remember where she got the recipe, and anyway.
That's ants.
In doing my research on it, there's lots of people do it kind of different ways. So I just ended up saying, I think this is the way that I best remember it. And it is. So, all right. This particular crust, if we'll call it that, it's pretty thick, which I guess you would want for a crust. And my hands are clean, so I'm just gonna use my hands.
There you go.
And we're gonna put that into
there.
this.
I'm gonna spread it all out so it's as even as I can get on the bottom. There's a
It
bunch
has
in
a
there.
bit of a, I would say like a shortbread almost consistency.
Totally, exactly.
Yeah, I'm just
Totally.
It totally does.
And
so
I'm
now,
just gonna get in here and start smashing.
just, again, make sure you got clean hands. Your hands are your best tools.
Yeah.
And I got a little more over here.
Okay. And then I am.
And it's really easy. I mean,
It is great. I want to make sure that there's no breakage.
Okay.
That the bottom covers.
What are you doing?
I'm just pressing, Chris.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, you want to press down.
But I'm
don't,
spreading
I know,
across
but
the
as
whole
you
thing.
spread it, it tears it apart. You just want to kind of. You could also use like a. The bottom of a measuring cup, that works
Yes.
really well. Just press it down smoothly like that.
Thank you.
I know.
I take too much time. That's the problem.
No, it's not that.
Patience is a virtue, people.
I know that. You just when you press it down, you want to press it down so it's smooth.
Yes, of
There
course.
you go.
Of course. And now I think that's good.
That is very good.
I just want to
so
make
now
sure.
we're gonna. Now all we do is we just. If you want to help me do this.
Yep.
I know our hands are a little ooey gooey.
Ooey gooey. Everything gets a little sticky with this.
It gets a little ooey gooey. Oh, doesn't that look divine? And because these both components, the top and the bottom, have eggs in them, it's going to rise when it's baking.
What? What? I'm just not doing anything you want right today. Welcome to the Loon Longwell Home.
No, it's
All right, tip it a little bit. Give me a tip. There you go.
okay.
All right, I got it. I got it. All right, all right.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Now I'm just going to
Smooth
push
that
this
out.
all over the place so it covers the entire.
Yeah, and like I said, as it bakes, it will poof and get kind of jiggly, and then it will deflate a little bit, which is exactly what you want. And I'm telling you guys, it's just the best
So
in the
good.
world.
We were talking earlier about how if my mother ever made something that was ooey gooey, it was not intentional.
It was by mistake.
Mom, I love you, Mom.
I know. Now, if it was a cake that was, hard as a brick, then
Stop it.
I know. I'm just kidding.
You need to apologize to Rosella.
She knows how much I love her. Okay, my hands are ooey gooey.
That's
so
right. I'm kind of gooey too. That's all right.
That's why God made sponges. Okay. Now we've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We let it go usually takes about 40 to 45 minutes. Just kind of keep an eye on it. About halfway through, we're going to turn it around, do a 180. And the edges are going to get nice and brown. And the middle should still stay a little bit jiggly.
Yeah. And at that point, you're like, can we break into it?
I know. And you could, but it would really be ooey gooey. We need to let it cool. Okay.
All right.
Okay. It's time.
This smells so good.
So heavenly.
Oh, look at that color.
So you want to get it to where it's kind of just like a nice uniform brown.
Golden,
The edges get a little darker brown and start to pull away a little bit. And that is so beautiful. That is perfect. And then, of course, we'll top it with the powdered sugar a little while. I'm just like mesmerized by it.
This is the hardest part of making this dessert, is waiting for that to solidify a little bit.
I mean, you could cut into this now, and it would be delicious. But it would be extra ooey gooey.
It would be oozy goozy.
Oozy goozy, that's right. We don't want oozy goozy. So we're gonna let this chill. I would say 4 hours, but you could probably go a little less, or you could even let it go overnight. But anyway, and then
we're not going to do that.
We'll eat it sooner than that. It is time for ooey gooey butter cake.
Wonderful.
Isn't it beautiful? See,
That's gorgeous.
It kind of sunk down a little bit. This is the way my mom made it. It's just so beautiful.
Are you going to do this first?
Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter.
Come on.
Well,
more powdered sugar, the better.
I know, but okay. So now we're just going to sprinkle some of this on there. We'll do a little more after we cut it.
Perfect.
But
That looks great.
I know. This is so good.
What about your mama? What?
This is the way that I just have such memories of my mom making it, and they look just like this. I'm just doing this just to make sure, just get a spatula.
Oh, I can already tell. We've got some ooey gooey going on.
Ooey gooey, and so good. And it's, it's meant to be a little, kind of, it's ooey gooey, so it's gonna.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna just cut 3 pieces right here. I know. I'm so excited. The anticipation is killing me.
I'm dying.
I know. I know. All right. It's always so much fun that first slice, pulling it out. But let me get this one. I'll do this one for myself so I can get a nice pristine one for you. Oh, look at that.
There you go. That looks pretty good, Chris.
It does.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't need pristine. I just need delicious.
I know. Well, I think you got that. All right. Let me get this.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh boy.
You know, look at that. Look at that. That is.
I'll give you this little more.
I'm dying.
Yeah, I just heard you like salivate.
Wow. All right. Let's make sure everybody can see your cake.
Yes. Oh boy. Oh, such good, happy memories.
Wonderful.
Such ooey gooey, happy memories.
I love this, Chris. Now,
And they're
normally,
so-
wouldn't you just pick it up?
You could. This is a really ooey gooey one.
So I might just do this. Oh, wow.
And as it sits, oh yeah,
It'll get more gooey.
Yeah, it'll.
Ready? That's ridiculous.
I know.
That is absolutely ridiculous.
I don't know who.
It's almost like eating cookie dough.
Yeah,
I mean, it
well-
has that wonderful, like, All right, I'm just picking it up. I'm picking her up.
Oh my god. And the flavor is just so.
Oh,
So good.
you guys, look at that.
I'm a little kid again. I couldn't be happier.
Wow, that is ooey gooey butter cake. That is,
Get your ooey gooey fingers, the best kind for licking.
y'all. You just get them, you're just hitting home runs every time. This is 1,000,000% Luna
Yeah, I want to rate this one. This is 1.5 million.
There you go.
Chris approved.
Oh, I'm gonna eat this right now.
I'm going to a coma. An ooey gooey coma. All right, you guys, we love you. We love you make this absolutely flip
Oh, you will. Oh, y'all.
And let us know if you do. We'd love to hear from you. All right, bye everybody. We
Yay.
love you so much.
Have a little gooey cake.